Check is undoubtedly one of the most fundamental and crucial concepts in the game of chess, as it clearly indicates that the king is currently under a direct and immediate threat of being captured. When a player declares check, it compels the opponent to respond without delay, either by moving their king to safety, blocking the incoming attack, or by capturing the specific piece that is generating the threat. Understanding how a check occurs, how to recognize it on the board, and how it's correctly recorded is fundamental for playing safely and taking advantage of attacking opportunities. In this particular lesson, we're going to be looking at some simple examples that clearly demonstrate the various ways you can deliver a check and, importantly, how the opposing pieces are expected to respond. Afterwards, you'll have a great opportunity to practice and put your understanding to the test. Check is the word we use to indicate that a piece threatens to capture the opposing king. Essentially, check means, king, be careful, you are in danger. Let's look at some examples of check. Can you tell me which move allows white to threaten the enemy king? Right. Bishop f6, check. The bishop threatens to capture the enemy king, therefore black must attend to this check. In our next lesson, we will learn the 3 different ways to respond to a check. In this particular position, the black rook is going to threaten the white king. Following the move of rook to d1, the white king is now under direct attack in check, and the white pieces must immediately address this threat. Finally, looking at the current board position, the black pawn is perfectly positioned and ready to capture the white knight. Remember, pawns capture by moving 1 square diagonally forward. Can you see how white can escape from the pawn's attack and then put the black king in check? If you found knight g6 check, then that's excellent work. The knight escapes from danger, and the black king is now in check. Just one final question. How do we write down the check? It's actually quite simple. All you really need to do is add the plus sign at the very end of the move notation. What this means is that after you've written cg6, you simply add a plus sign right at the end. So it will then appear as cg6 plus, which clearly indicates that black is currently in check. Now, it's your opportunity to practice giving check. If you want to learn and truly improve your chess skills, you can do it at BlackChess Academy, the premier chess academy.